Hello everyone, this is Shani with Elevated United Realty. Are you looking to sell your home this summer? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there is a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that aren't. If you want your home to be a winner in the open market, you probably need to make your home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible. It is proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale. And at a higher price, of course. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways you can get your home ready for the showings this summer. Number 1, take care of minor repairs upfront. Please. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and affordability. As a result, they want to put as much money down as they can to lower their monthly payments. This means that taking care of cosmetic repairs upfront is a good idea, even in a normal market. But higher interest rate means that step is more important than ever, pretty much, right? So number 2, do some staging. Think about an ideal model. It's clean, it's standardized, and impersonalized. Your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches like art furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so prospective buyers can picture themselves living in your space. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make moving easier once you sell your home. Number 3, have a plan for children and pets. Your showings probably wouldn't go smooth if your dog or young children are running around. Instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time when your home is ready for buyers. This way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted during showing. I recommend putting dogs in a kennel just for the short time when you'll be having showings, of course. While moving your pets around might be a little work, it's worth it to keep your home in a pristine condition when buyers are viewing it. If you want a detailed showing plan or list of repairs to make before you list your home, please call or email me. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market. Thank you so much for watching.